Hello, fellow gardeners. I want to talk to you a little about this virus. You know, it's everywhere. Yes, I'm wearing a mask just to show you that this is the way I go out in public. When I go to the grocery store or when I go and meet with a couple or three people, I wear a mask. But yet, when we go to the grocery store, we see that the employees in there is wearing masks, but most everybody that comes in is not wearing a mask. Just one occasion will wear a mask. I want to share what way I feel about this wearing a mask. I feel like when I wear a mask, where I go around people, I'm doing that to respect those people that I come in contact with. If I go out there and not wear a mask, then I put out moisture out of my mouth or out of my nose that can have that virus in it if I have it in my body. So what I'm doing, I'm respecting other people. I'm not going to put my moisture out there for them to have to breathe. Even if they have a mask on and I'm not wearing one, I'm putting out moisture drops that can get into their eyes, into their body. It's not, they don't wear a mask to protect themselves. They're to wear a mask to protect me and other people. In other words, I wear one to respect other people's privacy. And I would like for them to wear one to respect my privacy, because I don't want to breathe what they're breathing out if they've got some virus in it. We didn't think much about it till we had this virus come on. And that's a different situation. We have changed our way of life, so we might as well get used to it. I don't know how long we'll have to wear these masks. I know, they're trying to give us a vaccine to fight to get this virus. I don't know. They're going to put us a chip in too, they say. I don't know where it's going. But anyway, they're changing our way of life. God says, if you're not with me, you're against me. We can only serve one master. So if you're not serving the Lord, then you may be serving the devil, because that's the only two you can be serving, either the Lord or the devil. And he says you can't serve both at the same time. You've got to serve one or the other. I don't know how this is all going to play out. I'm not trying to teach you anything, not trying to scare you anything. But what I would like for you to do, I watched it tonight. It's on 3ABN on YouTube. Go to YouTube and type in 3ABN. On that, you're going to find a video that a man made just 24 hours ago. It's titled COVID-19 Aftermath. God's People at Risk. All I can tell you is go and listen for yourself. I'm not trying to persuade you to do anything. I'm just saying, we're getting down in the end of time. I don't know how long it'll be before the Lord comes back. All I can tell you is it's time for us to get ready to go home. Be ready, stay ready. Know that you're serving the Lord and not serving Satan. Go to this 3ABN. Type in the COVID-19 Aftermath. God's People at Risk by John Lomacane. Just view it for yourself. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe, punch the button, and we'll make you another one.